War. It is a constant throughout human history. From ancient times to the present day, conflict has shaped our world. It is a force of destruction, but also a catalyst for change. Why do humans wage war? The reasons are complex. They include competition for resources and struggles for power. Ideologies and beliefs often fuel conflict. War is a complex phenomenon. It has profound impacts on societies. It drives technological innovation and shapes political landscapes. Early humans faced many threats. They fought for survival against nature and competed with other humans for resources. These struggles led to the first conflicts. Tribes raided each other for food, land, and mates. Weapons were primitive. Clubs, spears, and bows were common. Ancient civilizations brought organized warfare. Sumerians and Egyptians built armies, developing hierarchies and strategies. These early wars were limited in scope, rarely involving entire populations. However, they set the stage for larger, more devastating conflicts. Technology changed warfare. The Bronze Age saw the rise of metal weapons. These weapons were stronger and more durable. Chariots emerged as powerful tools, and armies became more organized. Formations like the phalanx developed, where soldiers fought in close order, acting as a single unit. The Iron Age brought cheaper, more accessible weapons. Iron weapons were sharper and could pierce bronze armor. This shifted the balance of power. Empires rose to prominence, building vast armies. The Persians, Greeks, and Romans engaged in large-scale conflicts. These wars had lasting consequences. Alexander the Great conquered much of the known world using innovative tactics. He combined different troop types with cavalry, infantry, and archers working together. Roman legions were highly disciplined, using siege weapons effectively. They built roads and fortifications which helped them conquer vast territories. Section 5. Medieval warfare, knights and castles. The Middle Ages saw the rise of feudalism. Knights became the dominant force on the battlefield. They wore heavy armor and fought on horseback. Castles were built for defense. They had thick walls and moats. Sieges became common, and armies used catapults and trebuchets. These weapons hurled projectiles at castle walls. The Crusades were a series of religious wars that lasted for centuries. European knights fought Muslim armies for control of the Holy Land. Section 6. Gunpowder Revolution. A new era of warfare. Gunpowder arrived from China. It revolutionized warfare. Cannons could shatter castle walls. Muskets made infantry more deadly. Armies needed new tactics. Linear formations became standard. Soldiers marched in lines. They fired volleys of musket fire. Naval warfare changed. Ships were equipped with cannons. Sea battles became more decisive. European powers built overseas empires. They used their naval superiority. Section 7. Industrialized warfare, total war. The Industrial Revolution transformed warfare. Mass production made weapons cheaper. Armies grew larger. New technologies emerged. The American Civil War showcased industrial warfare. Railroads transported troops and supplies. The telegraph enabled rapid communication. World War I was a global conflict. Machine guns and artillery caused massive casualties. Trench warfare dominated the Western Front. Section 8. Modern warfare technology and guerrilla tactics. The 20th century saw rapid technological advancements. Tanks, airplanes, and submarines changed the nature of war. World War II was a global conflict. It involved major powers. It introduced atomic weapons. These weapons had devastating consequences. Guerrilla warfare became more common. Irregular forces fought against larger, more conventional armies. They used hit-and-run tactics. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring legacy of war. War has been a constant throughout human history. It has evolved significantly. Technology has made war more destructive. War has profound impacts on societies. It drives innovation. It shapes political landscapes. It leaves lasting scars. The future of warfare is uncertain. Technology continues to advance. The threat of nuclear war remains. We must strive for peace. Diplomacy and cooperation are essential. We must learn from the lessons of history.